People are changing the way they're consuming their content. Today, we know that PCs are the #1 device to stream their preferred movies and TV shows. That's why we actually developed Dell Cinema.
To deliver a cutting-edge media experience, we've put together 3 components. We've delivered amazing visuals, great audio, and fast streaming so that customers can enjoy their media on their PCs. Cinema Color is a technology that brings dazzling brights, very vivid colors, and the deepest blacks, so that your visual feels like it's from the real world.
Dell is bringing you a great viewing experience with Dell Color Profile software.
The reason we're really excited about Cinema Color is because it truly enhances the viewing experience and the colors of your system.
Cinema Sound is going to improve your audio experience on your PCs, on the connected speakers, on the connected headsets, so on any device you're using your audio on. It brings sound to life by clearer highs, enhanced bass, and higher volume. What makes Dell Cinema Sound so impressive is it brings together the hardware Dell is famous for, audio processing Waves Max Audio Pro brings, to create a really immersive cinematic experience.
CinemaStream actually helps by optimizing the resources of your system and delivering a smooth streaming experience. There's nothing more frustrating than getting buffering while you're watching your favorite movie, your favorite TV show.
What's behind CinemaStream is a really smart software that understands when you're streaming a content, it identifies it and prioritizes it. So you experience less buffering and you experience a video that has better resolution.
Each one of these 3 technologies are great independently, but it's the true innovation. It's really combining them together to deliver that great viewing experience, immersive experience to our customers. Dell Cinema actually captures everything, packages it up, and delivers that great experience to our customers.